Hello, Carly. Hey guys, what's up? So, oh, hello. Do you have something to say? Guess not. So I am officially moved, and that means house tour. I'm still kind of settling in a bit, so, you know, don't judge me for any random boxes or oddly placed furniture items and things like that. Still kind of organizing and unpacking. But I'm gonna show you the new place, and it's weird to have like the same things. So I'm like giving you a tour of my things you already have seen, just in a different space. It's also very strange to have walls. I'm not used to that. Looking forward to having both a shower and a bedroom with different walls for a little bit more privacy. So like if someone's comes over, I'm not like, hey, close your eyes, going to take a shower now. I can't just see directly into the bathroom or the bedroom. It's just a whole new life out here. So first things first, I will show you the office, which this is probably what you would probably call a dining room, but I have made it so we have a table still. It's just the tables I had, but I just put them next to each other, so I have enough space for an office. I originally had things. I had like my desk over here, but I was not enjoying facing the wall. My view is not exactly as pleasant as the view I used to have, but hey, it works. I just enjoy working in front of a window and having like natural lighting versus like just staring at the wall. Like, can you imagine just working, just this is your view, like that's it? It sucks, right, Curly? She agrees. So, living room. This is the living room. Here is my couch that used to be in my kitchen. It works as a couch now. I do often sit on it and like actually relax, and Carly enjoys it as well. It's so weird, like using things for what they're meant. I also now have a coffee table instead of a heaping massive garbage that was produced by Max Gravity Fitness. You know, literally the space just used to be taken up by random fitness equipment that didn't work. So I do have a deck, which is, I've got some boxes out on the deck right now, but so I got some deck space. I said deck, not dick. Deck space. Yeah, nothing too exciting. As you can see, I have lots of neighbors, unlike the last place. Hopefully they are all nice. Over here, we have my other office. Just kidding, this is my kitchen. Downside, we are back to the electric stove, so I'm not a huge fan of that, but I do have a normal sized fridge now, so I can fit all the things. It's weird, it looks empty. I mean, it is kind of empty. I don't have a lot in here because I'm cooking it right now. So chicken in the crock pot, rice in there, lots of stuff in the freezer that I now have space for. But yeah, nothing too exciting. Got knives, protein powder. Yeah, I have a garbage disposal. I do have some dishes in here. Sorry, do not pay attention. Yeah, garbage disposal is nice, and I have a dishwasher. So I have some dishes in here, but it's not a pile because I can just put things in there and it washes it for me. Do you know how amazing it is to have not only a dishwasher in my apartment, but I also have my own washer dryer. So that means I don't even know where all the light switches in this place are yet. Nope, that doesn't think. Haha. So washer dryer, I don't have to like fight people for time in the washer or the dryer. I don't have to drag things over to the laundry rooms. I don't have to use coins or credit cards. I don't have to pay for each load. I mean, technically I'm still paying for it because, you know, electricity and shit. I am now in the bathroom, which is also amazing because there's closing doors. So, wow, that was loud. So there's privacy for the bathroom. Here is the throne here. Sink. The best part is like so much storage. I didn't really have a bathroom sink storage area. So that's great. And more storage over here. So you can put your towels and stuff. Crazy. Here is the shower. It has doors. These are not things that are supposed to be special, but they are to me now. It is not just kind of out and open in the center of everything, and oh, it feels good to shower in privacy and have like a hot shower, because damn, it used to be pretty cold in the winter to shower and like it was just open. So other part of this bathroom is that it doesn't end yet. See, I don't know the light switches. These light switches, like, how is this? You would think that would turn on this light. It does not. It turns on bathroom light. Okay, so this switch, that turns on this one. Well, that's one of them. Now we got, whoa, geez, that's bright. Okay, so here's the other fun part, is that I actually have 2 sinks. This is the sink that probably no one is going to use, but you can. So options are great, right? But yeah, bathroom has 2 doors. So pro tip, if you're ever over here hanging out, make sure if you're going to use the bathroom that you not only close this door, but you also close this door, because otherwise people can still just walk right in. And Carly has definitely done that to me a few times. I'm just like thinking I'm alone, all of a sudden I hear these little footsteps, and then I'm no longer peeing or pooping by myself. But sometimes company is nice, right? Moral support. Fucking lights. This switch over here, I don't know. I don't have like a bedroom light, so this is as lit as it gets. It's lit, yeah. Just kidding, I can totally open this window. And then all the neighbors can see me naked, because you can legitimately see straight into people's houses. So, you know, that's part of the downside of city life, but yeah, so this is a bedroom. Sorry, I'm just really bad at house tours, but nothing crazy special. I did get a dresser. So right now these boxers are my dresser. Pretty cheap. Thanks, Home Depot. Living out of boxes currently, but I just have to put the dresser that I got. I have to put it together. It's from Target. It's great. I have a TV in my bedroom now. I mean, I did before, but like I also had a TV in every room because I didn't have walls, remember? Yeah. But yeah, I actually can use it now and like chill in bed and watch TV. And like, I know you're not supposed to do that or whatever, but it's just how I like to relax at the end of the night, and like helps me, you know, calm down. Oh yeah, I have a fireplace, which I will probably absolutely never use. But I can, like I said, I have options. If I ever want to put a TV in here, it has to be quite large, and because you can't really, this is the only place for a TV, because, you know, the fireplace kind of just like, you can't just put it down here. It has to go all the way up here. and I'm just not down with that. My TV is too small for that. So the couch is just for sitting. There's not really like entertainment, but it's great if you want to like work here and, you know, put your feet up for a second. Like if you want to bring your laptop over and just like destroy all the boxes there. All right, but yeah, it reclines, and then you can just hang out and work and chill with Carly and think about life and all the things that you're procrastinating. I know. But yeah, so this is the new place, and get off me. I gotta get up. Oh, ow. But yeah, the gym is like 5 minutes away, which is my most favorite part, and so is the grocery store. I used to spend at least an hour a day just driving to the grocery store. I mean, to the gym and the grocery store. If I needed something from the grocery store, it was legit like I would have to wait until the next day to get it when I went to the gym, and then like after the gym I would go grocery shopping. But now like I can take a 30-minute break throughout the day, just go to the grocery store and be done because it's so close. So it's crazy how much time being here has already saved me. It's pretty crazy and awesome, and yeah, it's just, the location is great. So far this complex is chill and it's quiet, and people seem to be pretty chill as well. I don't hear anyone. I don't know if people hear me underneath, but it's funny, I kind of had to like I'm a little bit like overstimulated because living out in the boonies and just like not having anyone around, and now I'm all around people constantly. And then the gym is so much different. I'll probably make a whole other video on that, but it was definitely like an ego check because I'm used to working out with like much older people, or just, yeah, there's a lot of serious bodybuilders there, and I'm not used to that. I'm used to being like one of few maybe, so I felt very small. It was like, I have never felt so small. There's a lot of huge dudes, but it's a lot of it's anxiety provoking. It's gonna take me a while to like transition in, but I know that it's also pushing me out of my comfort zone, and like it's gonna challenge me to like push myself harder. So I know that's a good thing. But anyways, I don't want to talk too long. Just wanted to show you the place real quick, and you know, I'm still gonna be moving things around in different places probably, but for now this is the layout, and so you'll get used to this scenery. And I'm gonna eat some food because, well, that's all I do. I just eat, work, and work out, and ramble. So thank you so much for watching and for joining in on this house tour. I will see you very soon, and I'll probably talk more. Sorry, there's people moving things, and I'm very easily distracted. That's the one thing, is like, I can people watch out my window. Before I was just watching deers and shit. So people are a little bit more entertaining. But anyways, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments below. Peace out, and I'll see you next time.